Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to put square root symbol in Microsoft Excel. First of all, open your Excel document, then go to the Insert tab, select within this equations, then select equations, and now we can see this radical. Then click radical drop down list. Select firstly square root, then select this box. Go to the home tab and resize it. Okay. Then type your root number or root power. Example. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.